The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is here, and it's more than just a mid-size luxury sedan. It's a statement of how comfort, technology, and performance can seamlessly blend into one refined package. Mercedes has long called the E-Class the heart of the brand, and with this latest generation, it's clear they've put their soul into every detail. Let's start with the design. The new E-Class carries forward the sleek sophistication Mercedes is known for, but with sharper edges and a more futuristic presence. The front fascia features a wide grille with integrated LED lighting accents, slim headlights that almost melt into the bodywork, and a sculpted profile that gives the car a low, confident stance. Around back, you'll find wraparound taillights with a signature light signature that instantly identifies it as part of the modern Mercedes family. The overall look strikes the perfect balance between sporty and elegant. Under the hood, performance has taken a significant step forward. The 2026 E-Class offers a lineup of electrified powertrains, including a turbocharged inline-4 with mild hybrid assistance, a silky inline-6 with plug-in hybrid capability, and for enthusiasts, an AMG-tuned variant that pushes horsepower well above the 400 mark. These engines are paired with a responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, and thanks to hybrid technology, acceleration feels instant while efficiency gets a boost. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour times as quick as 4.5 seconds on higher trims, all while delivering smoother, quieter city cruising. Step inside, and the cabin is where the E-Class truly shines. Mercedes has integrated MBUX Superscreen technology, a wide digital display stretching across much of the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster, infotainment, and passenger screen into one futuristic setup. AI-driven voice controls respond naturally to your commands, while built-in apps, video streaming, and even third-party integrations make the cabin feel like a luxury lounge. High-quality leather, ambient lighting with 64 colors, and active noise cancellation elevate the sense of comfort, while heated, ventilated, and massaging seats remind you this is as much about relaxation as it is about driving. On the road, the E-Class balances grace and agility. Adaptive air suspension smooths out rough pavement, while rear-axle steering makes tight corners and city driving feel effortless. Safety is as advanced as ever with Mercedes Driving Assistance Plus package, offering semi-autonomous driving on highways, intelligent speed adaptation, active lane centering, and emergency assist features that bring peace of mind whether you're commuting or on a long road trip. What makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class stand out isn't just its tech or performance. It's a car that can satisfy tech lovers, thrill drivers with AMG performance, and wrap its passengers in first-class comfort all at once.